Hi, how's it going today? So, I have a 2021 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Bison, and I love it, and it's a great truck. So, I've been looking up the seat delete for my vehicle. They sell it in a 60-40 split. Pick which one you want, or both if you want. Goose Gear makes a seat delete for the Colorado. Looks great, looks like a really good product. I just didn't want to spend that much money yet on a seat delete, so I'll see how it turns out. In the meantime, I made my own. I'm a remodeler, a handyman. I do work where I have tools, products, I'm carrying a lot of stuff. So the options compared to my last truck in the back seat weren't so friendly to load stuff into it. So the seat delete works for me. So I kept the 60% seat with the armrest so my son can ride in the back and have more room. I deleted the 40%. I made it with all materials I had laying around. I had to pick up a couple little things, pipe floor flange, and some foot pads. Other than that, I had everything. Turned out nice, I like it. Since I do a lot of the remodeling, I have a lot of Milwaukee stuff, so I guess you could call me a Milwaukee guy. I really like their products. And specifically, I just started seeing the Milwaukee Packout system, which I really am liking. So what I did is I bought the mounting base for the Packout system, which I'll show you here in a second. So let me show you what I did. I did the 40%, which is this side. And there it is. It's in, it's solid, it's not going anywhere. I have a bolt and a bolt. I just had to drill two little holes through the support beam that the seat sat on. Just drilled 2 1/4-inch holes. Actually, a little bigger, because I use 1/4x20 hardware. I use stainless hardware. Just got a 3/4-inch piece of OSB, some shelf brackets, give it a little sturdiness and make the rough edges not so bad. Nice and smooth. Wish I had black, but I just had white. I've got a floor flange on a pipe here and 2 in the back. So this is sturdy, it's not going anywhere. I can put what I want in there. Again, it's the Milwaukee Packout base system. There's 2 metal bars on each side here and here. So I could bungee strap something here if I wanted, anything loose. But the great thing is that I can throw in all these different types of containers. So I have the plain crate. I got the medium-sized toolbox, and I got a large tool chest. I'll probably get a few more. I'm gonna put different gear in these. I'm gonna put my overlanding gear, my camping gear, all that stuff in one, and then actually use the other ones for tools, my work stuff, all my stuff. So this is a great system. I really like it. The Goose Gear one extended pretty far forward where you couldn't really recline the whole way. And well, kind of got to be able to recline. So I don't have the seat all the way up, but I can still fully recline. I can still fully go down. My wife can take a nap. I can cruise over on this side, take a nap if I want. Obviously, if I have the gear in here, I can't. But without it, I can still recline the whole way. So, like I said, all it is 2 bolts. I just undo 2 little bolts. That whole thing comes right out. Put the seat back in. Put a nut on, put the 2 locking M10 torque screws in there, and you're ready to be back to normal. So I could probably take this out and be back to normal in under 5 minutes. So that's why I did my own way. I want to be able to recline the whole way. So with that, so now I can just take these loaded or whatever, bring them in here, put it on, snap, it's in. It's not going anywhere. I can rock the whole truck. And I can take the crate right on it, clicked in. None of this is going anywhere. I can have my tools in here. Must be a motorcycle ride. It's that time of year. There's probably gonna be a lot of them. So I guess on that note, I'll call this video it. If you want, I can make another video, post some things if you need on the dimensions of that. Works great. I love it. I can't wait to start loading this all in here. I can just throw it in and go. I don't have to worry about strapping anything down. Just put all my gear in here. So I'm pretty happy. I like it. And it was free. But I would have to say if it weren't free, minimally you need a 3 feet by 3 feet square of plywood. That's what I went with, 3/4 inch tongue and groove flooring. I just used a little piece of it. I coated it with poly on the top. I got stair edge on the front. Shelving bracket on the sides, both sides. And pretty much the only thing I bought was the stainless steel bolts and the Packout stuff. That's it. I'm happy with it. I really like it. If you want to do the goose gear, I'm sure it's great. I was just trying to save some money. Put that money into lighting, or who knows, maybe a leveling kit as soon as I get my cap on the back and see how the truck sits in its final stance. So have a good day, and more videos coming your way. Have a good adventure.